Hello, my name is Sarah Morris and I'm a local Las Vegas estate planning attorney. As an estate planning attorney, I get often asked, what is probate? Probate technically is the court process of transferring the decedent's assets to the heirs. What does this mean? Well, it means when someone passes away and they leave behind things, stuff, then necessarily that stuff has to be transferred to the right people. In order to do that, you actually have to get a judge to order that the stuff goes to certain people, whoever's in line, either by will or by statute. And I will talk about that in a different video. But for our purposes here today, the probate is technically the court process of transferring the decedent's assets to the proper people. Why do I want to avoid it? People ask me that all the time. Well, you want to avoid it because it can be time consuming and it can be very costly depending on how much the value of the assets are and what exactly is going on with the estate. So that's why you would want to avoid probate entirely. Plus the fact that usually the people you leave behind, you want to make it as easy as possible for them because they're already dealing with a person's passing, and this would just add to it and prolong it because also probate is a very lengthy, usually it takes a long time to get through. And then of course, if you're trying to avoid it, how do you avoid it? Well, you avoid it by estate planning. So there's many different types of estate planning depending on your personal situation and what your assets are and what you want to do with your assets. You can avoid it many people avoid probate by using a trust. That is a very common way that people try to avoid probate. As long as the trust is properly formed, most of the time by a licensed attorney, that's what I would suggest, and it's properly funded, then you can avoid probate entirely. It's important to note that a will does not avoid probate. Okay, you've got to have at least a trust, and like I said, there's other techniques and tools that you can use to avoid probate as well. If you are interested in talking about estate planning or probate, you can always call our office. I'm happy to speak to you. We offer free complimentary 15-minute phone consults, so please give us a call if you have any questions. Thanks.